Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start the reconciliation of three methods: measurement of national income, that is value added method, income method and expenditure methods. Product or value added method, which is to be called creation methods. Estimation of GDP MP reconciliation of three methods, that is the value added method, income method, expenditure methods. This is the revision work. Already we have discussed. This table will clarify you in between this income method and value added method and income method and expenditure method or reconciliation of the three methods. See it. First one is the product or value added methods, which creates that value. That is why it is that the creation methods. Income methods, which are that income is to be created, that is the distribution method. Expenditure method, which is given here, the disposal methods. Expenditure method, disposal methods. Product value added method, first I have written. All these cases we are finding the GDP at market price. The reconciliation is considered at the GDP at market price. Net indirect taxes, here is also net indirect taxes, but whenever we are expenditure methods, in expenditure method we are calculating, that time that net indirect taxes is already included because it is the final expenditure, so that all kinds of expenditures are to be here finally included. That is why it is not written here net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes in value added or product methods, net indirect tax in the income methods. Value added methods and income methods, because net indirect taxes is the indirect taxes minus subsidies. When is to be tax imposed? When the goods are to be sold in the market, and when it is selling in the market, at that time tax is included. So that time it is to be clear that market price, so that if there is the final expenditure, we did not add here the net indirect taxes. Clear? This is net indirect tax. Next, consumption of fixed capital or depreciation. Consumption of fixed capital, or it is called the depreciations, or it is called depreciation. Value of VR and TO charges. Here is also consumption of fixed capital in income methods, that is that consumption of fixed capital or depreciation. And net value added in primary sector at factor cost, net value added in the secondary sector at factor cost, and net value added in the tertiary sector at factor cost. If we add all these, net indirect taxes plus consumption of fixed capital plus value added of primary sector at factor cost plus net value added at secondary sectors plus net value added in the tertiary sector at factor cost, then we will get the GDP at market price. Similarly, in case of the income method, net indirect taxes, consumption of fixed capital or depreciation, and compensation of employees. Compensation employees, we have already discussed. Wages and salaries in case, these are three parts. Compensation employees. One is wages and salaries in cash. Second one is that in kind, and third one employers contributions, social security scheme. This is the compensation of employees, wages and salary cash, wages and salary kind, and employers contribution social security scheme. And operating surplus which we have already discussed, rent plus interest plus royalty plus profit. Rent plus interest plus royalty plus profits. And again that profit is divided into three parts. One is the corporation tax, another is the dividends, another is that undistributed profits. CT corporation tax, DI dividends, UP undistributed profits. So this is to be called that operating surplus, rent plus interest plus royalty plus profits. And we have already discussed mixed income of the self-employed. Then we will get the GDP at market price, means net indirect taxes plus compensation of employees plus consumption of fixed capital plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Then we will get that GDP at market price. We will get that GDP market price. This is in the income methods. Now it is clear. Net indirect taxes, consumption of fixed capital, compensation of employees, operating surplus, mixed income. Because we have already discussed compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. It means compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. These are the NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost plus depreciation plus NIT, then we will get that GDP at market price. Here compensation employees, operating surplus, mixed income. This is that NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost plus consumption of fixed capital plus net indirect tax, then we will get that GDP at market price. Clear? Next is expenditure method. So expenditure method we have already discussed, that is the private final consumption expenditures, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, net export of goods and services. It is already GDP at market price is given. Private final consumption expenditures, government final consumption expenditure we will discuss. Gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation is divided into two parts. One is gross domestic fixed capital formation, another is that change in stock. Change in stock, that is closing stock minus opening stock. And gross domestic fixed capital is divided into three parts: business fixed investments, business fixed investment, government fixed investments, and another is the residential construction of house buildings, and plus net exports. It means private final consumption expenditures plus government final consumption expenditures plus gross domestic capital formations plus net exports, we will get that GDP at market price. Private final consumption expenditures, government final consumption expenditures, gross domestic capital formations, and net exports of goods and services, that is the gross domestic market price. So expenditure methods by market price, income method distribution by market price, and value added method by that market price, GDP at market price. All this case we find that here market price. When that market price is found out, then you can go to that any other NNP national, NNP at factor cost, or national income, because GDP at market price, GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad with the NDP at market price. Net factor income from abroad equal to GNP market price minus depreciations is that NNP at market price minus net indirect taxes is called that NNP at factor cost, or which is that national income. It means whenever we find out the GDP at market price is every stage, then these three factors we already know, that is that net factor income from abroad, depreciation and net indirect taxes. If you will find out directly NNP at factor cost sheet, here is the NDP at factor cost, compensation employees, operating surplus, mixed income. Directly without adding this net indirect taxes, consumption fixed capital, it is the NDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad and NNP at factor cost, you can find out easily. Similarly, here is that net value added in the primary sector factor cost, net value added in the secondary sector in the factor cost, net value added in the tertiary sector in factor cost, then we can get also that is that NDP at factor cost. This is the NDP at factor cost. So NDP at factor cost plus consumption of fixed capitals, or that is called depreciation, plus net indirect taxes. Then we are finding out the GDP at market price. So we should not do anything. NDP at factor cost NDP at factor cost plus NFIA, then equal to NNP at factor cost. Here we are adding, here we are deducting. So without deducting this or adding this, we can write out NDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad equal to NNP at factor cost. Time will come, we will give that one detailed picture to find out the one how. So now it is clear, the reconciliation of three methods, that is the value-added methods, income methods and expenditure methods. These three methods to calculate the national income, or GDP at market price, or to NNP at factor cost. These are the three important methods of calculation in national income, and this is the reconciliations. Because their exam will be commenced from Wednesday, so that be ready for that exam on that online test. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.